Alright, still active on the stream, nothing disconnected. How's it going, everybody? Loading in right now. What I'm looking at today, we'll run through it quick. We got like 4 minutes. There's the, let's turn this up. There's that. Let's make sure the volume. Alright. Turn that down to 70. Hello. I don't want to be louder. Alright, hello. That should be good enough. I don't want the music to be too loud. Good, we'll turn that. This is what we're looking at today. We'll just extend that. MAGN. That's down here. It's only up roughly 38% when I was looking at it on my watch list. So, not gonna go in full size. I only grabbed 300 shares. So the max I'll probably do is 100 unless we get up into the $11.50, $12 range. I'm probably going to put a 20 share starter position on that one. And MNDR up here. It was up like 65%. It was up in like the 270s when I was doing my watch list, so it's fallen down a little bit since making my watch list. Only grabbed 300 shares. They were $10 per 100 share lot too, so that was a little bit expensive. Locates right there, but that's what we're looking at for today. And I'm gonna try and trade both of them at the same time. Right now I'm gonna put down MNDR 50 share starter, risking 50 shares. $1 a share would be 50. So we'll risk, $1 per share. And then MAGN. Oh, we're up there pretty good. So we'll put on 30 share starter, risking $2 per share on the starter until confirmation builds. Stir this coffee in. Just got new coffee. What are you guys trading? Drop it down in the comment section. I'll check it out. Okay, 60 seconds, 64. This shit's behind too. It's several seconds behind. I didn't realize that, so we're gonna have to I don't want to have multiple time in sales, but alright, I'm in at 250 on MNDR. MAGN's going crazy. Alright. Probably got too much going on this one already. We'll roll with that. Oh, damn, I missed it. Alright, let's see if I can bounce back up there. Alright, I got 100 shares at 11:46. High a day is like 12.50, so I'll put like 12.55 by 100, so we'll see what happens there. I don't want to put in a stop. Duplicate. Alright, sell. I want to see high a day. Alright, there's the bid. There's the high. Alright, so now I can keep a better eye on that. MNDR. Alright, so it's 249 average with a high on 259, so $10 risk basically. I need to get some more shares on that one. And it's busting through low a day. So, we'll try and get some ads in the 245 area. And we'll try and get some ads in the 1150 area. Alright, so now we're in it. $2.6, so 18 cents. Okay, so that's respectable. 189, 190 there. 1148, 200. Risk is on 1255. Oh, so that's a big time risk. Way too much. Exit target 321 minus 11.48, 827. We'll call it like 9.5. We'll look for $2 a share. I got my starter way too early. It actually popped up pretty good, so. Might be on the wrong side of this trade, but we'll see what happens. Alright, let's see. We need a MAGN fall below $11. That'd be pretty nice. Right now we're 20 cents under water. Yeah, let's keep falling below 1175. Let's break that risk right here at 1150, or that support level. And that bounce off VWAP. There we go. That looks pretty nice down 1160s. Yep. Let's print lower. Let's correct that support. 1150. Get me back in the money some. We are using 2-day trades today. I didn't verify that I have that available, so I'm gonna pause real quick and check my broker. I'm pretty sure I do because I didn't. Yeah, Thursday I have 2 available. Friday I have 3. And today's Thursday, right? Yes. Okay, yeah, because I didn't trade yesterday. There was not very many opportunity for me. Nothing that fit my criteria, so I stayed away. 1090 initially. Oh, I'm fucked right now. Oh, I gotta pause this screen. Because it's on my account page instead of the YouTube viewer page. Okay, so I want to check to see how many views we got. I'm gonna be showing my account information. I don't want to do that. About to bust through high a day right here. Looks not looking good right there on. Yeah, looks like high a day is gonna break through. I'm hitting the wrong shit right now. I'm all over the place. Yeah, I gotta cut that. Alright, so I'm out of that one. That's where I wanted to be. Let's put that away. MNDR just keeps trending up, so alright, so now we're in it for this one. Alright, that's a little buns. I kind of want to check to see the loss on that. Lost 60 on the day so far. So let's see. Hopefully MAGN can be a winner. We got to break through low a day and then trend lower. But let me take a look at something as well. But I'm up 40 on this one as of right now, 33. So, depending on how good this stock performs, MAGN, we could probably wipe away the losses on MNDR and bid. Yeah, so we can probably wipe those losses away and walk away with a nice profit on the day. But we got to break this 1120 zone and trend lower. We're battling on VWAP. Looks like we're bouncing off right now. See if we can stay below $12. That'd be ideal. I don't want to have to punch out of this one too. That'd be naughty. I'm not liking the looks on this one too. See you guys. Anybody here? Anybody watching? How's it going today? Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Punching back down, let's go. I see 1161 on the bid. Let's break below. Ugh. Let's punch lower. Keep punching. Keep going. Nice candle down to the 1120s would be nice. Big red dump candle. Like something from right here, how we went to the 1180s to 1130s. Something like that would be nice. Take us to the 60s to the 20s. Oh, there we go. The bid in the S tightened up too within a penny. It's been pretty widespread. Now it's still wide, but at least it's below my entry price. But I like to see it tighten up between like at least 1 penny and at most 5. I don't want it to be 9 pennies or 15 cents on the spread. Right now we're at 11. Yeah, we opened up at like $11, so if we can break below low a day, which is also the open price, everybody who's been buying would be underwater. This chart is setting up pretty nicely to slam to the downside. We have clear risk. We have a clear exit plan around $9 a share. I'll take a portion off in the 1090s just to reduce my risk, like 100 shares. And then I'll play the other 200 off of like the 950 range. $195. Whoa! Be waiting forever for that. That would never fill. Well, I mean, maybe in fucking some months. Who knows, though? Oh, I gotta take a look at this real quick. Alright, I've already made all my gains back. If I was to cover, or my losses, if I was to cover my position now, I'd be up on the day like 20 bucks. So I don't think I'm gonna cut anything at 1095. If low of day breaks, I'm gonna just watch to see how it reacts and everything of that nature to ooh, okay, there we go, there we go. I might downsize part of my position because my lady is very hungry and she needs me to go get her something to eat. So we're gonna pause the stream, see how much, if I was to cut my position half. I might have got filled right there. I did, I get activated. Well, she doesn't know how to do that, so I don't know if I'm even gonna give her the option. Let's see. Oh, it's still paused. Sorry, I put an order in at 1095 to cut some of my position in case I had to walk away. So alright, I'm just not gonna walk away at this point. I'm just gonna keep watching the market because we're trending downward. My position's working. I have a lot of shares on, so the amount of profit potential is very good. Am I still paused? Hopefully not. No, I'm not paused. Okay. Let's see, we got any viewers? The MNDR trade is pretty lame. It probably is working out now. Let's check on it. I was probably just a little early. Yeah, I got in early and got stopped out. I probably could have got in right here, the 260s, once this 277 high was set, and it started to work out then. So maybe if I had a starter on and I didn't add all 300 shares and I waited, but I probably would have cut if high of day broke anyway. So it's not really fair to say how I would have traded it, because I probably would have got out regardless. Do I get a 3-minute? Alright, I took 50 more off right there. This high is 1190 and it stayed below, so I'm going to move my risk down to 1190. I have 150 shares left. So let's do this. Okay, so that I brought my risk into a manageable position at this point because I'm positive on the day with the profits. So now if I lose on this trade, I'll only be down 1 risk level instead of 6, because this trade at 300 shares I would have been down 5R compared to and we're just gonna get out a little bit, pay ourselves there, check back in on it. Alright, so now we're up 2R on the day. Excuse me. I don't even want to put that in because I don't want them to dick ride me back up to the 1190s and punch me out. That's $1.30 away, though. I think I'd be safe on that. Alright, I'll be back. I gotta pause the stream. Well, I'm gonna just turn the camera off and the microphone. I'll be back. I was watching this the whole time I was gone. I am back now. I'm gonna see what my unrealized is at. 50, 60. I might need to cut this if it gets too high in the $11 range. It was sitting at the 1040s. And now it's bounced back, so I'm thinking maybe low a day is in. Where's my best cover at 1045? Low a day is 1033. I just want to see if we can get below. If we get into like the 1130s, I'm out. I want to see if we can stay below $11, maybe punch back into the 1070s, 1050s. Yeah, let's see how this rolls. Oh. So far, I'd say this day of trading was not that good. Just based on the first trade being a bust. We're now at the 250s. Let's take a look. How did that turn out? So, I mean, maybe it's still got room to progress once you break that 237 area support, 238. It'd be nice to the downside that you could test low a day at 225, but I just got in it too early and I got stopped out. I got in full size too early. If I would have kept a starter size until the play developed, maybe I would have stayed in, but I also probably would have just stopped out as high a day broke. Either way, so. I don't like the way this is trending upwards in the $11 range though. Let's see if we can stay below VWAP. I'll use VWAP as my risk level now, and because we're sitting at 1030 or 1133, so if we can stay below that, trend might still be intact. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. It's not looking that good. MACD is just about to roll over though on the 10-minute chart, so let's use VWAP and MACD as an indicator of whether we should exit or give this some more time. Since we're still in the money, we're just going to be giving away more profit the longer we let it ride. So, but I'd be willing to risk a little bit of profit and still end the trade up on money if these indicators show me that it's still a good idea to stay in the position, and then we break down lower into like the $10 range. So we'll just have to see if MACD can roll over and how VWAP reacts. Just getting attacked pretty hard. Then I kind of slammed it back a little bit, so this is probably the good bounce short ad. I was thinking this, as I was watching it while I was gone, I was thinking the 1080 would have been a good bounce short, but it seemed like it might have sucked in some shorts and then squeezed them out a little bit. Yeah, we need to get rid of that stop limit order, or else I wouldn't have been able to exit my position when I want to. That would have been crucial. MACD might be bouncing actually, which is not a good idea, not a good thing. It's testing off MACD, or off the view app. But if we were to slam down here into like the 1110s, I think MACD would roll over and we might get some more momentum into the downside. So I really just want to play it off the view app right here. Right there, we just slammed back a little bit on the, at least on the bid. Price didn't really follow. There's 1116. Damn, I saw 1105 print. Now we're back in the 1120s. Damn. How's it going, chat? We got any viewers? What are you guys trading? Drop it down in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel for the trade recap on the 2 trades I've taken so far today, MNDR and MAGN. That'll be uploaded later tonight. Oh, and the ask came down finally to meet the bid a little bit down at 1119, so that's, then it pops right back up. Bid broke right through, so I'll have to wait and see how this one goes. MACD is getting real thin. View app is holding nicely as of right now. We're still in the cents, in the money, 45 cents as of right now. There you go, MACD is starting to tip down more. I just seen it converge. Let's see if we can fall below $11. Bids at 1102. Ask is 1110. I am now moving my risk to this pop at 1140 regardless. As it seems like a good support or a risk level to risk base my covers on. View up held up. MACD's starting to roll over around this time anyway, so that's a good indication. I would say to move my risk down below entry price compared to while I was gone. I had it at this like 1190 region. So yeah, break below $11. Let's get some trend downward. 3-cent spread, 11 on the bid, 1103 on the ask. How's it going, viewers? How you guys doing? What are you trading? Fall below 10 or $11. Let's see it. MACD is rolling over currently. MACD's rolled over, just got the indicator right there. I took after hours and pre-market off to simulate this chart right here on TradingView because it doesn't have pre-market. So now the MACDs are similar looking. I just cut half my position because it's seeming like $11 might be holding up there, so I'll let the rest of them ride down to around low a day just to see what happens, as I think we can still trend lower, but it's holding up right here in the $11 range. So and I know MACD's just did show the signal, but the way it's holding up right there, okay, 1080s. Alright, I'm fine with that. At least I saved myself a little bit, but lost out on some potential profits. Next, we got to worry about this 1060. Yeah, the 1060s over here. So if those break, we might be able to test low a day. got some more out at 1072. Here, get up here. Sort of. Oh, big puppies. Oh, big puppies. Oh, look at you. You're up there on the screen. Oh, you see. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, he is a lover boy. He loves giving kisses. Yes, I'm recording. Yeah, I was trying to get the dog on the screen. Yep. He came up. I got in at 1065, bids at 1064. Let's see if I can hit it. Only 10 shares. Probably not gonna. We're gonna take a look at, realized 163, left on the table 20. So if I was to punch out now, it'd be a 3-to-1 R total day off of 2 trades, which should have been looking at around 6R or 2 to 6. If both were winners at 3-to-1, it'd be a 6. If one was a winner and one was a loser, it'd be around a 2. So I guess that's respectable off 2 trades, assuming one works and one doesn't, or they both work. Assuming they both are losers, then that'd be a -2R, but I wouldn't even want that to be the case. $10.83 got hit hard. That's where I was trying to get in too, right there. I might have been able to get it. Executed 1083. Okay, we're out the entire position. With a total P&L of 183 realized on the day. Profit. So, could have been plus 240 if I didn't have to wipe out the losses from MNDR. So, realistically, it was a 4-to-1 R return on this trade. Which, if you think about the risk that I was risking 5R at the start of the position before I cut some down at 1095 and 1076. So, well, that's going to be it for today. We're going to end the stream. I'll be back tomorrow at Friday morning. If there's any plays, we'll go through them. We'll trade them live. But there will be a recap video on the channel later tonight going over MNDR and MAGN. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on those. Like the stream. If you enjoyed anything, go back and watch the live portion of it around 9:30, probably like 9:28 to 10:05 would be the best time to watch, because that's when the most action happened. So if you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.